Does IE sound like E or I? How do we know? In root words of 4 or more letters, IE makes an E sound. Chief, niece, priest. IE and the suffix IES makes an E sound. Bunnies, cookies, berries. In a 3-letter root word, IE makes an I sound. There are very few words where IE makes an I sound. Die, fi, pie, lie, tie, and vi. Stay tuned to Sue's Strategies for all the answers.